2026 Kawasaki Z900 RS isn't just another naked motorcycle. It's a rolling tribute to the legendary Kawasaki Z1, reborn with modern engineering and attitude. From the teardrop fuel tank to the round LED headlight and classic twin-dial instrument cluster, this machine blends 1970s soul with 2026 performance. The moment you see it, you know this isn't just a bike. It's an experience waiting to happen. Under the retro-inspired bodywork lies a powerful 948 cubic centimeters inline-four engine derived from the Kawasaki Z900, carefully retuned for smoother low and mid-range torque. The result? Effortless acceleration, a deep and addictive exhaust note, and a throttle response that feels both refined and thrilling. Whether you're cruising city streets or opening it up on the highway, the Z900 RS delivers a ride that keeps you hooked. But what truly makes the 2026 version special is the refinement. Kawasaki has enhanced rider assist features, including updated traction control, improved ABS calibration, and a smoother ride-by-wire system. The suspension setup, with fully adjustable front forks and a horizontal backlink rear shock, offers a comfortable yet sporty balance. It's stable in corners, predictable under hard braking, and incredibly confidence-inspiring at any speed. Design-wise, every detail feels premium. The paint quality is deep and glossy, often finished in heritage-inspired color schemes. The brushed aluminum accents, sculpted seat, and polished exhaust headers reflect Kawasaki's attention to craftsmanship. Unlike many retro bikes that only focus on style, the Z900 RS delivers authentic character without sacrificing modern reliability. Now let's talk about the price, because this is where things get even more interesting. The 2026 Kawasaki Z900 RS is expected to start at around $12,499 depending on market and trim level. For a bike that combines heritage styling, strong performance, and modern electronics, that price positions it competitively against other premium retro models in its class. So who is this bike really for? It's for riders who want nostalgia without compromise. It's for those who admire classic motorcycles but demand modern performance and safety. And most importantly, it's for riders who want a machine that turns heads at every stoplight while still delivering pure riding excitement. In a world filled with aggressive, futuristic designs, the 2026 Kawasaki Z900 RS stands out by looking back and somehow moving forward at the same time. If you're searching for a motorcycle that blends history, power, and style into one irresistible package, this might just be the perfect ride.